You guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Welcome back to my no.
Oh shit!
All real, guys, all real. So I was in small vacation. I'm back, and today I want to refresh your memory about best crypto. And we all know that what is the best crypto, right? You see what I like about my channel. You know, I have a lot of new things, but I try to keep my mouth the same way. I try to keep what I'm talking about, to be real. It's not like I'm talking today about something, tomorrow about something. Like if I'm talking about crypto, I know what is the best crypto, and we are going to investigate more about this. And the best crypto which I'm talking about will be, of course, Bitcoin. Okay, without Bitcoin we cannot go anywhere. Then again, guys, many of you can say, oh, what about Ethereum? I don't care. You need to understand, it can be like, let's say someone is driving near you on Porsche. Do you care? It's the same for me. I don't care. It may be Porsche, it may be Mustang. Who cares, right? Care about what you think is relevant in your life. Okay, I don't think Ethereum is for me. I already explained it. It's proof of stake, and it for Vitalik Buterin, friends. They try to make a profit. They try to move from proof of work to proof of stake. Why? Because they want to stabilize their life. They want to have some profit. They develop this product, and now they can put it on on stable coins, like proof of stake, where they will make decision. They can make it stackable. They can make profit like a bank. It will become like a bank. As more Ethereum you have, as more you make a profit. This is what it is, guys. There is nothing here for community in proof of stake. Nothing, zero value. Okay, it's not to to make it a network. People can mine, people can earn. No, they will earn money, not you. Okay, so be just clear, about proof of work and proof of stake. And we are here for community coins, Bitcoin, Litecoin, of course. Bitcoin Cash. I'm talking about best of the best. Okay, there are other good coins. Okay, but I cannot just talk about everything, right? What we have? Monero. I'll skip Monero. I just don't like it. Really, I don't know why, but it may be a good coin, right? Bitcoin SV. As I say, I cannot talk about everything. Then Dash, then Zcash, then we have what is this? What is this? Zcash, and we have this BTG, Bitcoin Gold. What is Bitcoin Gold? What the happening with all this? Okay, Bitcoin Gold is here, and then we have the Bitcoin Gold. We have Zen. What is Zen? How much Zen today? Zen. Horizon. Okay, Horizon and Digibyte. Okay, oof. So these are coins I want to talk today. Okay, so be with me, and I will give you short explanation where I see. Oh, Ethereum Classic. Sorry about this. Sorry, my Ethereum Classic. And I will give you, my view on where we will be this year. So this will be short term. Okay, it will be not. Sorry, middle term. It will be not short term. It will be not long term. It will be middle term in 2-3 months. Middle term where I see crypto in 2-3 months. Okay, so let's start from Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, is a king. And what I am thinking, guys. So if you watch between two tops, okay, I'm watching two tops, like 2013. The second one was 2013. They have 11 and 13, and it was less money involved, and it was more wild. You see, more wild. So it has more movement. It moved more, it fell more. then more money were involved, right, between 14 and 17, and it start to be more less wild, right? It start to be more kind of horizontal move, right? So you can see here, you know, I try to make between peaks, between bottom, it start to be more kind of not so volatile. It start to be less wild, okay? And now in this run, you guys, it's normal money. It's like $2 trillion. You need to understand. This beast cannot move fast, right? Because as it's like a train. As more weight you put on train, as less will be its speed, right? It still can move, but you cannot expect, from some car which very light to make the same speed like a truck, right? You understand? The truck will have less speed because it will need more horses to move the stuff, right? It's the same here. It needs more horses to move it up. It still will move up, but with not the same speed. The speed is lower, okay? So the top will be lower. I mean, top will be lower in correlation to before bull run. Let's say in first bull run we did 15x. Then we did something like, it was 30x. I think this was 45x in this run, you see. Then it was 16x, then it was, and in this bull run we expect like 10x, you understand? So the relation, the peak will be more, but relations, we'll have less x than before. So I believe like first time we have 35, then 3 times less, and more, today maybe 3 times less, so around 10x will be this round. But still, as the first thing. The second thing, I think the peak will be in 2022 because it has more delay. Again, the same year, truck and a car. The truck will move, but to reach another, let's say they need to drive 1,000 miles. And for car, 1,000 miles will take, I don't know, maybe half day. For truck, 1,000 miles, because speed is less, so it will take 1 day. You understand? So that's why I think we will not see peak this year, but we will see peak year somewhere in the middle of 2022. And it's the same 250,000, you see? The same 250,000, but we will have some delay here, okay? So this is what it is about. So I think for this year, Bitcoin will see prices around $100,000, okay? So if we talk about Bitcoin, here I make it shorter, I think 2x is coming this year, so minimum like $90,000. 90,000, somewhere between 90, 120,000, somewhere in this year, okay? But again, we're talking about middle term, okay? I think we still see it will be like this. You see, we will be going like this, some backup, and then somewhere in 2022, somewhere in the middle of 2022, probably sprint, we'll see like 250,000, but I don't believe it will be happen this year. So this year probably you'll see around 100k. Still it's 2x, 90,000, okay? Next, Bitcoin Cash. So guys, short, for most of coin I see 4x, 5x, okay? For most of this coin which I mentioned here, okay? I see 4x, 5x, okay? And now I'm going to prove it, okay? So Bitcoin X, we already learned. So Bitcoin, I see this year, I make a line. You see this line is like end of this year, end of December 2021. And again, 100k, 2x, approximately 2x. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is a wild beast, right? We know that it went to some like $4,000 in 2017. I don't think we'll see, the top of this, parallel run, like this is usually they call it parallel run. I don't see in this parallel run what I give you a picture. We'll not see Bitcoin on the top. We'll see somewhere in the middle. Okay, so I did a small subset. You see small subset on previous tops, and lowest, and highest high. And you can see I did a previous top, and I think today we are around 500,000. I see 4x is coming this year. Okay, again it's this year because I see it at top of this subset of a global global picture, And for a middle term, this year, I think it will be around, you see, it also correlated to, you know, almost top of previous run. I mean, the majority of top, not the peak, not the wicks, you know, it's a majority. So I think 2200 where I see Bitcoin Cash end of this year. So 4x for Bitcoin Cash. Lovely Litecoin, okay? Litecoin is, I always think that Litecoin give you more profits than Bitcoin Cash, okay? Again, if you look on Litecoin, and you can see Litecoin has 17 place, and Bitcoin Cash is 18 place. Litecoin just is more profitable for me, okay? You have maybe another idea, but I think Litecoin. Why? Because Litecoin has more, how can I say, it's cheaper, guys. You need to understand it's cheaper. So people more buying Litecoin than Bitcoin Cash. For Litecoin, you can spend like 150 bucks. Bitcoin Cash, you need to spend $500-600. You understand? So more people are buying Litecoin than Bitcoin Cash, okay? And it's natural. Okay, so Litecoin again. For Litecoin, it's more easy because, you know, I think he will reach again the half of his trend. Okay, so this is his trend. Okay, the Litecoin is easy, very easy coin. Trust me, because it has you know, the history from 2000. What year it is? 2012. It was one of the first coin together with Bitcoin. It has a lot of history, easy to track. Again, I don't see you'll see the top of this coin, which is around $5,000-6,000. I think it is coming 2022 probably. You'll see around $5,000-7,000. This year, I think we'll reach the half of his trend, and half of his trend again, it's around $900. Okay. So I see Litecoin the top $900, okay, somewhere between $700 and $900. So I see for Litecoin 5x is coming, $900, probably $900 will be peak. So do your math, okay? You want to sell? You're welcome. I'm not selling. I am holding, guys. I already explained you my philosophy, and you know, you remember, as more you hold, as more you profit. People who hold minimum, you know, 7 years, I say, 7 years, even 5 years is short. I'm holding, let's say, 4.5 years, okay? I'm telling you, 4.5 years, probably I'm in profit 3x, 4x, okay, on my investment. 3x, 4x in average on my investment. And I think if I will hold it for another 1-2 years, like 7 years, probably I will come to 10x, okay? 10x of my investment, okay? So this is like, this is the fundamentals, you know, of crypto, guys. The most people, they don't have patience. They just, you know, jumping around, invest, take money, pay taxes. You know, if you're smart enough, if you're smart ape, you can make ton of money in crypto. You need to be smart. And the main point here is we are not speculators. We are investors. So as investor, you want to put money aside, you know, on a dips. Let's say you buy on this, all these dips, right? You have these dips, you're buying, you're buying, you're buying, you know, you're buying. You see, we are almost on the dips. You buy on dips. I don't even buy dollar cost average, you know. I just buy on dips. If I see dips, I look into this trend just to understand. Do I have a dip? Yes or no? Maybe this dip will be overcome with another dip, right? So what? You know, I'm still good, right? So, you know, do this on average, guys, and understand the global trend. Understand that we are in bull market. It's very important, because if you buy on this dip, right, then it's nothing for you, right? You understand? It wasn't, you know, bull run, it was a top, it's still a dip. You buy on this dip, but you need to understand, trend is going down, okay? So no point to buy here. Trend is going down. Relax. Use your money, you know, or if you already bought it here, doing nothing for next 3-4 years, guys. Okay? You need to buy when trend is started, right? Like now, we have started trend. Oh, now I can start. Even here, no one knows. Is the end of trend or not? But here, more or less, we understand. The trend is started. We start to move up. So the waves will be, you know, we know the wave direction. So we can invest on deep. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, just show my way. I'm on my 50, and trust me, I know how to avoid mistakes, okay? And if you look into this, my numbers, I'm not pumping here. I'm not telling you it will reach $10,000. I'm talking about real numbers, guys. Okay, I try to be realistic. Okay, and I see Bitcoin 2x today, and I see, you know, all coins I mentioned 4, 5x. Okay, 4, 5x in this year, Middleton. Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic, again, I built his trend, and what I think for Ethereum Classic, because it take attention, guys. You need to understand. If coin move from Zcash level, it was on Zcash level, okay? It was $1-2 billion, and now coin move to you know, $6 billion. It's not like, it's totally different liga, guys. It's totally different liga. Now all these crocs who has money, they start to look into this coin. You understand? They start to look. Now, because all trends is going down, you know, it's little bit down, but trust me, you will see Ethereum Classic in tens, okay? In top 10 coin, you will see Ethereum Classic. This is what I'm thinking, and I already explained you, Ethereum Classic, it's like Ethereum, but you know, not a garbage proof of stake, but still it proof of work, okay? So it will be only smart contract which allow you to join between Bitcoin and Ethereum. It will be only proof of work which will support smart contract. Not many coins like this, guys. All this bullshit, all this crap, Polkadot, Solana, you know, Cardano, it's all garbage, guys. It's proof of stake. Maybe they give something to people. I'm okay with this, but why I think it's garbage? Because you cannot control it. You cannot control the supply. As far as the supply cannot be controlled, it's a bullshit. Fiat, guys. Because any day they can come and say, oh, you know what? I'm doing 10x more ADA because, you know, it take attention. People like it. Bullshit. Okay? That's why I like, you know, coins which has calculation supply. Calculation supply low. Low, low, low. Like a gold. Okay? That's my my theory. And I don't think it's only mine, but anyway, you know, you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so Ethereum Classic. So for Ethereum Classic, this year, unfortunately, I see it, you know, reaching top of his line. And I think like today we are out like $50. We will be around $260, $280. So middle, you know, 4x, 5x, okay? 4x, 5x, somewhere here, okay? Maybe 5x. Maybe 5x, okay? I don't think this year we will see top, okay? But once it breaks this line and will build another trend, you know, more aggressive trend, then probably it will go to $1,000. Not this year. I don't see this year Ethereum Classic break his trend. And his trend show me that this will be like $260. We are not in paradise, guys. You need to understand. Usually when it go crazy, it's paradise, right? We are not, guys. We are very, you know, if you look into what's going on crypto, it's a lot of unbelief. And even if Bitcoin will reach $1,000, it still be not, you know, a crazy time, which we saw in 2017, okay? So paradigms will happen in 2022 when dollar will start falling. You need to understand. It only can happen if something, you know, like some event, you know, like dollar failure or something, you know, then it will start skyrocketing when a lot of money will be moving crypto. Today, $2 trillion, it's a lot of money, but it's really nothing. With, you know, market like 200, 300 trillion is only 1-2%. Bitcoin SE. Okay, so this is a beast, guys. There is a site CoinDance. You can go and check this site, and in this site you can see the Bitcoin. Bitcoin SE is taking attention, guys. Don't look on price. Okay, look on other fundamentals. And if you look on other fundamentals, I'll show you. Here, daily average Bitcoin stock by network. You see, daily average Bitcoin block size. So no one can beat Bitcoin SV. His block size is more than Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. And then this is 88. This is a 1-digit split. This is another piece of shit. They call it eCash now. Okay, divided on 1 million. You know, all this garbage, guys. Don't pay attention. Bitcoin SV beat everyone. Okay, now look here. Bitcoin daily transaction. You see, it getting attention, guys. It's getting attention. One second. I move it. Okay, so first of all, size network. You know, Bitcoin transaction, it has more and more transaction. More than Bitcoin, guys. So what is telling you? Price will follow. Per block, transaction per block, more. Transaction per network, more. Average Bitcoin fees, it's reaching, you see, start to reach Bitcoin, you know, it's going to Bitcoin level. Daily average Bitcoin fees by Satoshi, you see, by Satoshi, it's already overcome, you see. By reward ratio, you see, more profitable to mine Bitcoin SV, you know. I'm telling price will follow. And then daily accumulation, Bitcoin check. You know, who people accumulate, you see, daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain grows by network, you see. Number one, it's crazy. 1.1 gigabyte, and here only 4 times more accumulation on Bitcoin SV than Bitcoin. Guys, I'm telling you, someone smart is stacking Bitcoin SV like a crazy. Okay, so Bitcoin SV. If you ask me, buy Bitcoin SV, guys. Not your financial advisor. It's a beast. It's a wild. You see, usually what it goes from low level to high level, low level, high level, low level, high level, low level. We are now on low levels. It was no better time than buy Bitcoin SV than today. Look here, he is on low level on his trade, guys. $126. I think it will repeat the same and it will come to this highest level. Bitcoin SV is special, and I think it will come the most. I will think 5x, 6x is coming for Bitcoin, minimum 5x. I see Bitcoin SV $600 this year. Okay, again, it's a middle term. Why start to build another, terms, right? Then we'll see another story, okay? But as of now, his trend, I think $600 is a peak this year, okay? Bitcoin SV. But again, look into coin dance and check it out, guys. This coin is gonna blow. They try to keep it low profile, okay? Why? Because they're all about speculation, okay? They are not investors. They try to speculate. They try to make most money of a buck and then throw it, okay? You know, all these people, most of people who invested here, they are speculators, okay? And as a speculator, you really need to be smart as, you know, to be in profit. You know, 95% you'll lose the money, okay? But if you invest and you wait, guys, you will win in the end, trust me. But it's 5-7 years, guys. 5-7 years, as more as better. Okay, Dash. The Dash, again, for Dash, you know, again, I'm not building from high trend, you know, trend from high to low, okay? I just doing in the middle. For Dash, I think this year is 5x. Again, and 5x, I see Dash around $800, okay? I think here is December, so Dash will be doing like this. We'll be doing like this, you know, it will go in December. We see, like, you see it correlated, you know, the most of his transaction here, and then probably we'll go back sometime, and if it break his level next year, maybe we'll see $2,000-3,000, maybe more. But this year I don't see Dash more than 5x, no more than $800. Zcash, lovely Zcash. If you watch my video about Zcash, I think it cap and holder on a long term, okay? On a long term, it's cap and holder. On a middle term, again, I'm not looking from his top to low, okay, to build this trend. I'm looking into half. I'm looking into local highs and local lows, okay? For me, his trend this year will be somewhere. This is, you see, this is where I see Zcash, okay? This year, this is where I see Zcash this year. And I think we'll have somewhere around $600, okay? $600, I think this is where we see. So 5x for Zcash, $600 is realistic. And again, it was before, you know, in 2017, it reached again $600-700. I think we're going to retest it. And then on the long term, we will build cap and holder. You know, long term, watch my video, I can build another one. It is like $1,200. I see long term $1,200 problem next year. Okay, so 5x, $600. BTG, Bitcoin Gold, the same. I didn't build from top to bottom. I think in the middle term. In the middle term, I think Bitcoin Gold will be somewhere here. Okay, I see 4x is coming, which is around $200. Today it's like $50. 4x is coming, and again, it will be top of his trend. Okay. Now, okay, then, which is Horizon, right? Horizon. Horizon is a new coin. It started, I believe, somewhere in 2020. I see the Grayscale buying it. They love this coin. They're buying it. So for Zcash, I think again it will you know do his stop, okay, because it's a new coin, okay. Don't have this wild. It doesn't, but was not participate 2017, right? So 2020 we can see much highest peak. We are not in highest peak, so I think it will reach his top. And for 2017, it will reach his half of price. Sorry, I mean half price because it has its peak, half price. So 2017, I think we will reach half of this price. Today we are around 60 bucks. I think like 350 is coming, so 5x is coming, more or less realistic. Can I reach, you know, the $1,000? But don't forget, where is this horizon? It's like 105. And what is his volume? Volume is 60 million, guys. It's nothing. It's very low. For Digibyte, it's also 20 million, nothing. So not attention. This coin don't have attention, guys. No attention, it's less money, okay? And last one, Digibyte. I'm sorry, but Digibyte is also not taking attention, okay? So for Digibyte, I also think it will reach the middle term. So today it's like 5 cents, right? 4-5 cents. Maximum I see Digibyte half of his trend, which is 15 cents. Okay, 15 cents. I see Digibyte, which is maybe 3-4x as today. Okay, so this was Silver Game of Thrones. You know, it's already like 25 minutes. Okay, don't want to hold you more. Give you update on the crypto. Okay, and as I always say, be investor, be smart investor. Don't be a speculator, and don't worry much. Bitcoin going up, down. You make your investment, you wait, and also exit point you build yourself. My exit point is 10-15x, and I don't care. 10-15x is my targets. Okay, so let's say today I'm 3-4x. You know, I'm waiting. I don't need to go out on, you know, on $60,000, $70,000 Bitcoin. I'm waiting. I have my targets, okay? And then an exit point you also need to do. What you do with your cash, right? It's not only to make a cash. You need to, you know, to have a plan, right? If you don't have a plan what to do with your cash, then not really, you know, you don't really have any plans, you know. You must have plan end to end, okay? Better spend some time thinking about this, what you're gonna do. Do your visualization. It also help, you know, visualization also help. Visualize, you know, everything what you want to do in your life. It's really helpful. And with this, you'll get it what you want, guys, because you need to spend energy. You need to spend some, you know, save your money and never go all in, guys. Okay, don't go on, you know, on the red zones when you have red, buy and be a cool guy. You know, have your head, you know, cool, and everything will be all right. Okay, guys, silverGameOfThrone was with you, talking about best crypto. And if you like, subscribe, hit notification, share. I'm not making a lot of videos about crypto, but you need to understand, I'm not blah 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 guy. If I'm talking real stuff. Okay, I'm giving you real number. Put your comments. Why you think this coin will get more attention or more profit? Okay, you know, give your coins. I'm okay. Let's discuss. Let's talk about this. Okay, guys. Bye bye.